Hello everyone, I am Indian Soul and I am here to make your dreams come true. Make sure you watch this video until the end. And I am going to talk about my YouTube channel. Here is the link. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I am a pharmacist and researcher, mom and wife, and I have a very impressive CV. And I studied and worked in prestigious institutes and had various national level and international level scholarships. I speak fluent German, Hindi and English, and I make videos on these languages only. In my videos I talk about career tips. If you are Hindi medium and average student, and don't worry, I was one of them. If you don't have money, then also no problem. I am also a middle class lady, and I know what it takes to chase your dreams. If you are not from science itself, or you want to make a productive break as I was having, I am going to talk about other alternate sources of income. If you want to come to Germany, and I make various videos about life in Germany, so and I am going to talk about how to take admission in German universities, and how to make a career and get a job, and what are the different kind of visa and how to apply for it. I already uploaded a playlist for those who are already in Germany, and I talk about how to save money and how to get other benefits, monetary benefits from German government. I also make videos about beauty tips and weight loss, so you can click on them. I make videos about pharma reveal and pharma experts. So in pharma reveal we talk about common topics of common people, how to take your medicine in perfect way, and how to be as healthy as possible, how to minimize side effects and drug food interaction and drug interactions. And in pharma expert I talk about how to make career in pharma field if you are already studying pharmacy. I also have various miscellaneous videos, the funny one, the cute baby videos, the travel videos, trending topics, unboxing and much more. Just you have to click one button, subscribe, it's free, and comment, like and share my videos, and we will meet next time. Have a nice day. Stay hungry, stay foolish.